charging port successfully, you know, without getting damaged. Because once you're not careful, it's possible the legs might got peeled. So this is another way you can successfully remove charging ports. You open it from behind, open the two legs, and separate it, and you now apply, use your soda iron, mix with the lead, you understand, on the two leg close to the down panel. You see how it is done. You apply a bit heat and lead, you see. So once it will remove without stress, no matter how difficult the charging port is, because sometimes it's always difficult to remove a charging port. This is another easy and successful way of doing that, please. So you just do it this way, open it from behind, and you see it is removed without issue. So that's the way you go about it. That's the way you go about it. You now apply leg to retrace the legs on the down panel. Trace the legs on the down panel. Have you seen how clear it is? It has come out beautiful, clear, coming out beautiful. You understand? So once you're able to achieve this, it's going to be easy for you to fix a charging port. See, the legs are clear, traceable. You don't need to stress yourself. Once you place a charging port on it, it's going to make contact with it without issue. So now we're going to pick a